Hey traders, investors, and charting enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm about to blow your mind with something that sounds too good to be true, but it's 100% real. What if I told you that you can use TradingView, yes, the same TradingView Pro that millions pay for, completely free for life? Stick around because in this video, I'll explain how it works, why it's legit, and how you can start using it today through GoTrading. Let's be honest, TradingView is one of the most powerful tools out there for technical analysis. Whether you're a day trader, swing trader, or a long-term investor, TradingView offers real-time data, beautiful charts, dozens of built-in indicators, strategy testing, and even community-shared ideas. The problem, if you've used the free version, you know the limitations. Only one chart per layout. Limited indicators, no access to premium features, constant pop-ups and ads, and if you want the full experience, you're looking at up to $60 a month or more. This is where GoTrading comes in. GoTrading is a powerful financial platform that not only delivers in-depth stock ratings, insights, and signals, it also gives you lifetime access to TradingView charts integrated right into your dashboard. No subscriptions, no monthly payments, no trial periods. Just permanent access to full-featured charts, powered by TradingView. And yes, it's 100% legit. They've partnered directly with TradingView to bring advanced charting tools to all GoTrading users for free. Here's what you can do on GoTrading with their integrated TradingView. Use multi-time frame analysis, add unlimited indicators, apply drawing tools, view live price updates, track crypto, Forex, and stocks, customize layouts and templates. Basically, everything you'd normally pay for with TradingView Pro, you get directly inside GoTrading for free and for life. So how do you get it? It's super simple. Head over to GoTrading.com, sign up for a free account, click on any stock, ETF, or crypto asset. Scroll down to see the TradingView chart in full glory. That's it. No tricks, no upsells, just premium charting forever free. So if you're serious about your trading and you're tired of dealing with the limits of free tools or burning cash on charting platforms, GoTrading is your new best friend. This is a total game changer for traders and investors who want top-tier tools without the monthly costs. Click the link in the description, sign up at GoTrading, and unlock lifetime access to TradingView today. Since you may fall for scam links and lose your money when creating an Forex trading account, you can use the real link I have put in the description to create an account. After that, I will be able to solve the problems you encounter even during deposits and withdrawals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tools and trading tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Until next time, trade smart, stay informed, and use the best tools. See you in the next video.